everybody, I'm Allie and this is Luna, and today we are going to be doing groundwork with a twist. We are going to do it bridleless or bitless or at liberty, and we're going to see how well this works. Okay, so first of all I'm going to ask Luna to stretch, and we're going to do that. We're going to cheat and we're going to give her a treat. And so she's really going to like this. So I'm going to ask her to stretch, treat, stretch, treat, stretch. Really, 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 really stretch. Oh, there you go. Good girl. So she stretched really well. I'm going to ask her to move back for me. All right, move back. Come on, back. So I did, come on, back. Come on, back. And I'm going to move her this way. Come on. I'm going to ask her to move her. Come on. Move the forequarters. There you go. Move. All right. So I'm going to ask her, I don't have a treat this time, but I'm going to ask her to stretch. And she did. Good girl. You're still chewing the treat that you had. All right. Ready? And we're going to touch the nose. Come on. And stretch. Good girl. And touch the nose. She's like, where is my treat? Where's my treat? But there you go. The treat stretch, that's our first exercise, and we can do that one at Liberty. At Liberty exercise is going to be, I want her to yield her hindquarters. So I'm going to put my hand up, and I'm going to face her hindquarters, and I'm going to touch that button. There we go, and I'm just walking forward, and now I can just move the hand, and I'm going to stand up straight and release. Now, what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. Same thing, hand up, and I want to cross over, come on, cross over, come on, one more step, cross over, come on, one more step, stand up straight and release. So that's yielding the hindquarters. Okay, our next exercise is going to be moving the forequarters. That's going to be button number 1, which is right over here, or we can also use the pressure point right here or the pressure point right here at the shoulder. My toes have to be pointed the direction I want her to go. I'm going to put my hand up and I'm going to walk in a circle if I need her to move, because I need to look down and I want her to cross. Come on. Add a little bit. Come on, cross. Come on, cross. That's when I touch. Come on. And stand up and release. All right. You did this at the treat for that. Yeah, always a nice release. And you know what? Some horses will do anything just for a treat. So what you do on one side, you do on the other. Ready? And move your forequarters. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. I'm looking down, looking down, looking down, looking down. Stand up straight, and release. So there you go. A little bit of at liberty exercises you can do with your horse as well. And that was her first time doing that. I think she did really well. So I encourage you, have a handful of treats the first time you do it and make it into a really positive experience, and hopefully it'll work out well for you too. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlist. We have a great playlist that has lots of patterns and obstacles.